Chaplains across Fort Wayne shared their experiences after helping families grieve with the struggles of COVID-19 loss. Our very own Fox 55's Mallory Beard met up with the chaplain firsthand to hear about the weight they also carried during this pandemic.
After 12 years at Parkview Hospital, retired chaplain Paul Demery says it was time to stop.
I was at almost 3,000 deaths. So 3,000 deaths takes a toll on you, and I knew that I wasn't doing well, and so I needed to just step away and let somebody else do it.
Demery says as a chaplain you have to give 100%.
So when you give 100%, then eventually you say, I can't go anymore, I have to stop.
His advice to chaplains working during COVID-19, seek support if you can.
Being a chaplain, being a nurse, when you give at this level, this is a sprint and not a marathon.
COVID-19 isn't the first glimpse of grief for these chaplains. Over 2 decades in ministry, these Fort Wayne chaplains say they're here to support families who need it most during the pandemic because they've seen loss before. American Legion Post 47 chaplain Mark Jaden says his daughter's death helps him connect with other veterans who seek his counsel.
Now it's time for me to help others get through what their grieving period is.
Jaden and the Post 47 Honor Guard will honor 9 veterans lost to COVID-19 over the last month.
And it's been a tough time.
Ashton Creek Health and Rehab chaplain John DiMarzio says he's missed his residents now that he can only speak to them through the window.
It's difficult not being able to give a complete ministry to the people, knowing the needs that they have.
He knows many of the senior residents are in need of his encouragement, so he and his grandson carry messages of hope around the campus, even in the snow.
When we get a thumbs up from that resident, we know we've communicated something to them.
Hi, how you doing? Good. You taking care of him? Cool.
Mending the gap between COVID-19 and hope.
You don't have a lot of time to spend with people, so you have to make every minute count.
In Fort Wayne, I'm Mallory Beard, Fox 55 News.